Hey, my name is Jevi, and in today's video I am going to apply a ceramic coating to the leather interior of my new car, and I'm going to use Chemical Guy's Hydroleather. I'm not paid by them and I do not have any vested interest to give this endorsement. I use the product. This entire cleaning kit cost me about $55 on Amazon, and it will last quite a few years. I'm going to give you two scenarios in which this is useful for you. The first one is this. You just got yourself a new car and it's a lovely leather interior and you want to protect it and you want to make sure it lasts as long as possible and looks just as new as it always does. Second scenario, you're trying to restore an interior of an older car. And luckily enough, I have recorded videos for both of those. So I'm going to be applying it to the Genesis GV60. It's a new car, and then I have some pre-recorded footage of application to my XC40 after removing a car seat, and the leather was not in a great shape and I wanted to make sure it was cleaned up and protected. So I have some video footage of that and you'll get to see both sides of those. So let me tell you what a ceramic coating is. It's basically a liquid polymer. It's clear and it's colorless, and you apply it to the surface of the leather. Can be used for exterior as well. There's special products for both of them. But when we apply it to the surface of the leather, it's going to dry on and it'll create a barrier that's invisible. The only thing you'll notice maybe is it'll feel a little bit more slippery. But once it dries on, it creates a very nice hard barrier on it that has hydrophobic properties. It resists water, it resists dirt, it strengthens the material. So, you know, if you want to keep your leather looking as good as possible, this is the best possible thing you can do to protect it. The steps to using this product are super simple. The first thing you get is you get the leather cleaner, and this doesn't leave any residues. It's a very, very simple cleaner. And it comes with a horsehair brush, which allows you to clean the surface of the leather without making any abrasions on it. On a brand new car like this, you will barely need to use the horsehair brush, and you might be able to manage with just cleaning with a towel and the cleaner. Well, I'm up for a challenge, so I'm going to use the same product to clean my XC40. This has been used for 3 years. It's had babies, dogs, and cats, and it's had a car seat on it for 3 years, and it is totally filthy. So after a quick vacuum, I am now going to clean it with the brush. I'm trying to take off about 3 years of accumulated dirt on this seat, so I'm not being shy with the cleaner, as well as trying to form as much lather as possible. The more lather you can form, the more cleaning you're going to get, and eventually what you're going to end up with is a very, very matte seat. Whatever you do, the one thing I definitely recommend is don't skimp on the horsehair brush. It really makes a difference in its ability to clean, whereas at the same time it doesn't leave any scratches or any marks on the leather itself. It is a really great product to use. I want you to watch closely as I wipe off the final cleaner, and as you can see, that is the original leather that is showing under. That's why it looks so matte, and as you can see, it is beautiful and clean. What a great product. This next product that we're going to use is it's the Chemical Guy's leather conditioner. I've just started using this and I am so in love with this product. It has a smell like somewhere that makes leather shoes. And it's just amazing. It's just like conditioner. Like when you put it on leather, your leather just gets softer and more beautiful. It's like it's taking on nutrients or something. Okay, so we're gonna start with a line here, and all I'm gonna do is sort of fold that in there, and just watch this. It's like you can totally see the leather is just picking up these nutrients, and it's looking shinier and more beautiful. I just love this product. Oh my goodness, it just makes leather so nice. For the final part of the process, we are going to apply the ceramic coating by using Chemical Guy's Hydroleather. The first thing you'll notice is that I'm wearing gloves. Please make sure you do this. You do not want to get this stuff stuck to your hands. It is very difficult to take it off. Apply some on the pad and then go in a side-to-side motion and then follow it up with an up and down motion so that you make sure you get a nice even covering across the surface of the leather. Once you see it is nice and even across the top, you let it dry for a few seconds. You will actually see it going smoky in front of your eyes as it dries. Before it gets too dry, make sure you start wiping off any excess. If you don't do it quick enough, it will form ridges on the leather. So make sure you do this in quick enough time so that it forms a nice clear boundary across the leather that is not visible to the eyes. This is a very powerful product and a little goes a long way, so I would strongly recommend use it sparingly, and if you need to apply a second coat, apply it on in layers by putting one coat, allowing it to dry, and then putting a second coat on the top. I just continued repeating this exact same procedure throughout the entire car, covering every surface including the doors and the steering wheel. I am pleased as punch with how this turned out, and I'm going to be doing all my future ceramic coatings because, as you can see, the level of detail is so much more because I did it myself. And if you look closely at the leather, the only noticeable thing is that it's a little bit shinier and it feels a little bit slippery, but apart from that, it looks exactly the same. And it has formed a nice protective coating on top of this leather. If you do this once a year, I guarantee you your leather is going to look a lot better, and all you have to do for the rest of the year is follow it up with the quick detailer product and then just do the ceramic coating once a year. I'm even more pleased with how the XC40 turned out because I've only done this twice throughout the 3-year ownership life cycle, and this car has been through a lot of action. It happened during one of the busiest times of our lives, and we really didn't have too much time to spend cleaning it, but it shows the value of applying a ceramic product because the car maintained this look and it maintained the protectiveness even though this car had been through quite a lot of action over the 3 years with a very busy family and kids and dogs and cats and everything else that a family can expose a car to. So as you can see, this is a testament to why you should use a ceramic coating on your cars for the future. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this helps you take care of your car a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the share button. Have a great day.